Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today this video is very much important. So why is it important? Because today I am going to discuss two very important topics which is also an interview question. So if you're preparing for an interview, then this video is really important for you. So let's quickly know what are these two topics. So these two topics are nothing but your drop and truncate statement in SQL. These two statements are very much similar to each other. Similar, I mean, this both works very similarly, but if you don't know how to use this correctly, you might end up creating disasters, which might also result in losing your data. So let's quickly understand what are this and then which scenario this statements to be used. So before starting with drop and truncate statement, let's understand how our data structure looks like. So the data which you can see is from the table students. Okay. So where I have mentioned select star from students, right? So select star from students is nothing but it will help you to get all the data from your table, which is students. So now let's quickly understand how our data looks like. Firstly, you can see student ID, student name, city and age. So these are my headers, or I would say column names. And below whatever uh, the matter is, for example, student ID 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, student name, city, age. So whatever is below the column is our actual data. Okay. So now how drop and truncate statement works. First, quickly understand how the truncate table works. Okay. So first let me clear all the responses. Okay. So now what truncate table does or the truncate statement does is if we run this truncate statement, which is truncate table and the table name, it will only delete the data below. Okay. It will delete the entire data below from the table. So which is the table name is students, right? So it will entirely delete this table. Sorry, my bad. So this will entirely delete only the data and not the entire table. So all your column names, the structure remains the same, but only the data or the content inside it will get deleted. So let's quickly test it. So I have written truncate table, which is the keyword. This will remain fixed and you only need to mention the table name. That's it. Now if I select this and run this, you can see the statement is clearly executed. And now if we run this table again, if you want to see this table again, now you can see all the data below is been deleted. Only the column names are visible. Your structure will remain the same. Your column headings will remain the same, but the data below this will be entirely deleted. This is how the truncate statement works. Now next, let's quickly look what is drop statement. So drop statement is simply, it will delete entire, I would say it will delete entire the data as well as your table structure. It will delete the entire thing. No matter you have the data inside it or not, but it will delete the data as well as your entire table. So from the root level, it will entirely clean it up. So now if I quickly check, I'll just close this and clear the response. Now, how to write a drop table? Just simple, drops table and the table name. That's it. Now, if I select this and run this entire thing, my table students will be entirely deleted from my database. So let's quickly execute and see it. Selected. Now the statement is clearly executed, the green indicator. Now you can see my table students has been deleted from the database, which means the entire table is dropped or deleted. So this is how this two statements, trunk and drop, works. But if you use drop statement instead of truncate, or if you use what you can say vice versa, then you might end up using your data. So these two statements should be used very in a critical sense. So these two statements should be used very carefully. You have to know your purpose before using them. If your purpose is only to delete the data, then you can use truncate table. And if your purpose is only to delete the entire table, then you have to use the drop table statements. Hope you have understood the video completely. For more such videos, follow Decode with Akshay. And if you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe it. Thank you everyone. See you in the next video.